Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Accord Hybrid. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, traction control, stability control, braking assist, regenerative braking system, power brakes. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, electronic messaging assistance with read function, child safety locks, multifunction display, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, one-touch windows, 2 cargo area light. Come see the car for yourself.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.